Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we'll be bringing you a sequence from our Kali training. It is a Kali Sinawali drill with walking. But before we do that, I need you to go over to the buttons and please hit like and subscribe and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your support and have a great day.
So let's introduce the stepping pattern with this. So whatever side that you're striking with, that number is the foot that's going to be forward. So Keith's going to step in and throw his one, Eliza steps back. So notice the same side that the stick is on for the strike is the leg that's forward. Okay, move into strike 2, strike 3, strike 4, strike 5, and strike 6. Good. Walking backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, free flow walk, nice and simple. Go 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good. Okay, guys, stay there. What I'd like you to do is just take one round now. That was heaven 6. We walk through heaven and earth 6. Okay, same thing, nice and slow. Go ahead, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Return it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good job. So you can practice with a partner or on your own. If you're on your own, watch the tip of the stick. Never miss an opportunity to train your eyes. So once again, this is heaven 6 and heaven and earth 6 with a basic back and forth walking pattern.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.